Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on this 2002 Chevy Corvette Z06. The point of our walk around is to show you any cosmetic imperfections that might not be visible in our 100 high definition photos located on our website. If you're on our website, you can see those 100 photos below this video. For a description which shows our features and options of this vehicle, you can look at that above this video. If you're on YouTube and wish to see those 100 photos and that vehicle description, feel free to join us on TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. There you can not only see those photos and the description, but you can see a free CARFAX report, the original window sticker, look at financing options, and shipping quotes for across the country. At the end of this video, you'll be able to listen to the exhaust note on this vehicle, as well as hear the engine. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you on our website soon. All right, going over this Z06. This should be very quick. There's only a few chips for me to show you. That and the tires, as you can see, are at about 55%. There are a few chips only for me to show you on this as far as imperfections go. And they are super, super tiny. Can't even focus in on them, to be honest. From 2 feet away, as you can see, nothing. They are super minor. But the rest of this car, all the way around, is in amazing shape. As you can see, gloss is great. It's only got 39,000 miles and change, guys. Up here on the roof, there is one chip, also very minor, and one baby scratch that you can barely see there. It wouldn't come out. From back here, you can't see it at all. So let's take a look at the interior. Just a quick preview, because there's really nothing to say about the interior, but I did want you to get a video view of it. Nothing to say. It's in great shape.